Hi students, good morning. Now continuation of atomic structure, numericals on energy of electron, velocity of electron, like that. So yesterday I given maybe one or two problems, remaining problems I will start. So write down problem. The ionization energy of the ionization energy of the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6 electron volts. What will be the ionization energy? What will be the ionization energy of He plus and Li2 plus ions? In this case, the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6 electron volts. So what will be the ionization energy of He plus and Li2 plus? We know formula. Ionization energy equal to minus of energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom. Energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay. Energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay. 13.6. Ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6. General these are. Another formula. Ionization energy equal to, simple formula. Ionization energy equal to 13.6 into Z square by N square, or 13.6 into Z square, because these are first orbit energy. After that, simply, so ionization energy of He plus equal to 13.6 into here first orbit, simply Z square. That means 13.6 into helium atomic number 2, Z equal to 2, that means 2 square, that means 4. 13.6 into 4, that means 54.4 electron volts. Write down 54.4 electron volt. These are ionization energy of He plus. Write down. Actual ionization energy equal to minus energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom. The first orbit, actually these are ionization energy equal to 13.6 into Z square by N square. Here N means orbit number 1. These are orbit, first orbit, here 1. Simply ionization energy of He plus equal to 13.6 into Z square. Like that same model. Ionization energy of, second one is which given? Ionization energy of Li2 plus ion equal to simply 13.6 into Z square. 13.6 into lithium. So lithium atomic number, lithium Z value how much? 3. So 3 square 9. 13.6 into 9. So answer 13.6 into 9. 122.4. So 122.4 electron volts. So answer. Next problem, write down. Write down next problem. Next question. The ionization energy of the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is x kilojoules. The energy required for the electron. The electron jumps from n equal to 2 to n equal to 3 will be your options given. First option, second, third, fourth option. 5x, 36x by 5, 5x by 36, last 9x by 4. So write down first problem. The ionization energy of hydrogen atom is, so first option 5x, second option 36x by 5, third 5x by 36, 9x by 4. Write down. Here we know. So ionization energy equal to minus of E1. Simply minus of E1, energy of first orbit. So one formula like the hydrogen, energy of ionization energy equal to minus of E1. E1 means energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom. Simply E1 means energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay, so these are E1. Ionization energy equal to minus E1. Generally E1 always minus into minus plus will come. Okay, they given x. Simply I am taking. So here n second energy level, third energy level. One formula is there. delta E equal to E3 minus E2, like that. So delta E equal to E3 minus E2. That means here delta E. Here E means they given X. That means first E3. Here E3 means minus X by. So minus X by third orbit. Here energy given. So third orbit means one form is there. Einstein energy equal to general formula X into Z square by N. Okay. Here third orbit. So these are third orbit means N square. Okay, N square means how much? 3 square minus. So minus X by second orbit. Second orbit means 2 square. So ionization general formula energy equal to, we know, 13.6 into Z square by N square. N square is orbit. Third orbit means X delta equal to E3 minus E2. Higher energy level, lower energy level. E3. So E energy X. So minus. So ionization energy means minus of X. Okay. So the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is X. Here E3 minus X by, so minus X by 3 square. So minus X by. That means simply minus X by 9 minus 9 plus X by 4, that equal to, so 9 to 4. So 9 to 4 means LCM simply minus X by 9 plus X by 4, that means 36 minus 4X plus 9X 5X by 36 simply 5X by 36. So which option correct? Third option. Understand, students? Very easy. Delta E equal to E3 minus E2, you know. Here E3 means third orbit. Third orbit means we know. So generally any orbit energy equal to general formula Einstein energy equal to 13.6 or X into Z square by N square. Here X means they given X. Einstein energy equal to minus of X by 3 square. 3 square 9 minus X by 9 plus X by 4. So answer how much? 5X by 36. So third option correct. Write down. Yes, sorry, minus E3. Next problem. So problem number 3. Ionization energy of He plus is 19.6 into 10 to the power of minus 18 joules. Joules for atom. The energy of the first stationary state. First stationary state. The energy of the first stationary state n equal to 1 of Li2 plus ion is. The given four options. First option 4.41 into 10 to the power of minus 16 joules for atom. Second, minus 4.4 into 10 to the power of minus 17 joules for atom. Third option, minus 2.2 into 10 to the power of minus 15 joules for atom. Minus 8.83 into 10 to the power of minus 17 joules for atom. Ionization energy of lithium is 19.6. So ionization energy of helium ion is 19.6 into 10 to the power of minus 18 joules. After that, the energy of first stationary state n equal to 1 of Li2 plus ion is. So in this case, the ionization energy ionization energy of He plus 19.6 is there, joules for atom. The energy of the first stationary state n equal to 1 Li2 plus. Generally, ionization energy equal to minus of E1. That means ionization energy means so minus into energy of first orbital. Ionization energy always plus value, but energy of orbital always negative value, minus value. In this case, E1 means energy of first state orbit of hydrogen atom. Generally, energy is proportional to z square by n square, or E is proportional to z square by n square, or simply energy. So energy equal to generally formula 13.6. So minus 13.6 into z square by n square, like that. So E is inversely proportional to 1 by n square. E is directly proportional to z square, like that. Their formula. The given ionization energy. Ionization energy always plus. Energy of orbit always negative. In this case, simply first one is helium. Ionization energy plus means energy minus. Simply in this case, so energy of He plus by energy of Li2 plus equal to He plus z square by Li2 plus z square. Okay, your energy given. After that, 19.6. Accept this formula required. So, energy of helium given how much? Energy of helium given how much? 19.6 into 10 to the power minus 18. Minus 19.6 into 10 to the power minus 18 by So we want the energy of lithium, question mark, equal to Z square, He plus Z square, helium atomic number 2 square by lithium 3 square. After that, minus 19.6 into 10 to the power of minus 18 by energy of Li2 plus equal to 4 by 9. 4 by 9. So, energy of Li2 plus equal to formula minus 19.6 into 10 to the power of minus 18 by 9. Sorry, 19. So, energy of lithium equal to 19.6 into 10 to the power by, these are 4. So, these are 4 how many times? So, minus 4.9. They given how much? 19.6. 19.6 given. 19.6 given. That means 19.6 into the rate. So these are how many time cancel? 4 into 9 into 10 to the power of minus 18. Now I am taking 4.9 into 9. 4.9 into 9. 441. Minus 44.1 into 10 to the power of minus 18. Now I am taking, after that, here I am writing minus 44.1 into 10 to the power of minus 18. I am writing minus 4.4 into 10 to the power of minus 17. So joules per atom. So which option correct? Second option correct. Very easy. Simply we can remembering this formula. Simply. So E1 by E2 equal to Z1 square by Z2 square. E1 means energy of helium. They give ionization energy. Ionization energy always plus, energy of orbit always minus. They give ionization energy. Ionization energy compulsory sign plus. But energy of orbit compulsory minus. Ionization energy always plus. Energy of orbit always minus. That's why I am taking minus. First one is lithium, first one is helium, second one is lithium by Z square. Helium 2 square by 3 square, so that answer. So which option correct? So second option. Compulsory remembering all formulas, main formulas required. So write down. So second option. Write down. Write down. Problem number 4. So problem number 4. The energy difference between the states of n equal to 2 and n equal to 3 is E electron volts in hydrogen atom. The ionization potential of hydrogen atom is first, second, third, fourth. 3.2 E, 7.2 E, 5.6 E, 13.2 E. They given. Generally, don't forget, ionization potential or ionization energy both are same. Ionization energy always plus. Generally energy of orbit always minus. Here case, first n equal to 2. Simply n equal to 2, n equal to 3. Simply, so these are E2, these are E3. Simply, here we know delta E equal to E3 minus E2 equal to E. They given. The difference of state of n equal to 3 is E. Second and third energy level difference energy. Second orbit to third orbit energy difference how much? E. So third orbit. So higher minus lower E3. Here E3 means generally energy equal to, according to Bohr's theory, energy of orbit equal to E1 by, so E1 by n square, E1 by n square. That means in this case here E1 by 3 square minus, so E1 by 2 square equal to E. So next, after that E1 by 9 minus, I am writing here, E1 by 3 square minus E1 by 2 square equal to E. From this data, E1 means energy of orbit in hydrogen atom. So E1 by 9 minus E1 by 4 equal to E. After that, so E1 by 9 minus E1 by 4 equal to, these are 36. How many times? 4 times. 4 E1 minus 9 E1. That means 4 E1 minus 9 E1 means minus 5 En by 36 equal to E. They given E. We want E1 equal to, generally minus 5 E1 by 36 equal to E. Here after that 36 equal to minus E1. So minus E1. Minus E1 equal to 36E by 5. 7.2 E. So minus E, 7.2 E. Why these are? Ionization energy always plus. But energy, they asked They asked which, they asked generally. The highest potential of hydrogen atom is, the highest potential of hydrogen atom is asked. Simply E1 equal to minus 7.2 E. Ionization energy equal to minus E1. That minus into minus plus. So that means plus 7.2 E. Understand my point? Minus E1 equal to 7.2 E. E1 equal to minus 7.2 E. Ionization energy equal to minus E1. Ionization energy always plus. Minus into minus plus. E1 how much came? Minus 2.2. Minus into minus plus. Plus 7.2 E. So that point. Okay, write down. Actually, ionization energy equal to minus E1. Simply plus E1. Simply plus E1. Understand my students? Easy formula, just concentrate formulas. Formula మీకు వస్తే అన్ని ఈజీగా ఉంటాయమ్మా. ఒకటి గుర్తుంచుకోండి, ఎనర్జీ ఆల్వేస్ మైనస్, ionization energy always plus. Relation between energy of the orbit and ionization energy equal to minus of, ionization energy equal to minus of energy of first orbit of hydrogen atom. Simple, ionization energy always plus, but energy of orbit always minus. Okay, next problem. Right now. Next problem. Problem number 5. Problem number 5. The ionization energy of hydrogen atom is, the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is, the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 1.312 into 10 to the power of 6 joules per mole. The energy required, the energy required to excite the electron in the atom from N1 equal to 1 to N2 equal to 2 is first option, second, third, fourth option. 8.51 into 10 to the power of 5 joules per mole. 6.56 into 10 to the power of 5 joules per mole. 7.56 into 10 to the power of 5 joules per mole. 9.84 into 10 to the power of 5 joules per mole. Okay. So here the initial energy of hydrogen atom is 1.31 into 10 to the power 6 joules per mole. The energy required to excite the electron in the from n1 equal to 1 to n1 equal to 1 to n2 equal to 2 is, we know ionization energy equal to minus E1 or minus of minus E1. So energy of orbit always negative. Okay, these are for minus energy. Generally we know delta E equal to E2 minus E1 formula. E2 minus E1. That means simply second orbit to first orbit. Here second orbit. Generally ionization energy always plus. Ionization energy always plus. Energy of orbit always minus. In this case, here minus means I am explaining energy, not ionization energy. Ionization energy always plus. Energy of orbit always minus. That means minus 1.312 into 10 to the power 6 by say 2 square minus. Next minus 1.312 into 10 to the power 6 by 1 square. After that, listen carefully. Minus 1.312 into 10 to the power 6 by 4 minus into minus plus 1.312 into 10 to the power 6 by 1. Simply your calculation LCM, these are 4 times. So minus 1.312 into 4 5.248 minus 5.248 into 10 to the power 6 plus one time is 1.312, sorry. How much LCM? Here 4 1 times minus 3.12 into 10 to the power 6 plus 4 times 1.31 into 4 5.248 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, is there. In this case 1.312. So these are I am taking 10 to the power 6 common. So 10 to the power 6 common means simply minus 1.312 plus 5.248 by 4. Simply 5.248 1.312 6 to 3 9 3.936 into 10 to the power 6 by 4. So now I am taking simply 39.36 into 10 to the power 5 by 4, nearly 9 times, 8 times, nearly 4 into 10 to the power 5. So joules per mole. Which option correct? So fourth option correct. Okay, my students. We know delta E equal to E2 minus E1. Delta E equal to E2 minus E1. Here E2 generally ionization energy always plus, energy of orbit always minus. Now applied these are E2 E1 minus into minus plus will come. Here I kept plus. So calculate 9.84 into 10 to the power 5. So these are very important. Don't forget one formula. ఏ ఎనర్జీలో తీసుకున్నా కానీ డెల్టా E equal to E2 minus E1. E2 always higher orbit minus lower orbit. In this case higher orbit second orbit, lower orbit first orbit, like that. So these are different types of numericals. Okay my dear students, today enough. Next class I will start de Broglie wave concept theory. After that I will give problems. Next Tomorrow class I will start de Broglie wave concept. Okay, my dear students, thank you for all.